Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're tired of constantly cleaning up after your pet's hair or just want a convenient way to keep your home clean, then this Lefant robot vacuum cleaner is the perfect solution for you. With its 2200 pascals powerful suction and tangle-free design, this robotic vacuum can effectively pick up dust, pet hair, and debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets without getting stuck or tangled. Plus, its slim design allows it to reach under beds and sofas, ensuring that every corner of your home is clean. The M210 Pro offers 6 different cleaning modes, making it easy to customize the cleaning process to fit your needs. And with its advanced anti-collision and anti-fall features, you can trust that this robot vacuum will navigate your home safely. But that's not all. You can control the M210 Pro with the Lefant app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or a remote, making it easy to schedule cleanings even when you're not at home. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to pet hair and hello to a consistently clean home, then click the link in the description to get your own Lefant robot vacuum cleaner today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on how to keep your home clean and organized. Thanks for watching.